So you might be in a situation where for some reason your Blink camera is just not working. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. The very first thing that I recommend doing for the most part is to go through and just double check that the Wi-Fi connection and everything like that is appropriately connected inside of your particular Blink camera. So typically what ends up happening here is if you go through and basically have some sort of, issue with your camera, you might just want to go ahead and make sure that your camera isn't necessarily the problem. You might want to go through and see if it's the Wi-Fi connection, check your Wi-Fi router, check everything like that, because that can very well end up being the main way to go and kind of fix that problem. So try going through there, try seeing if that's the issue, because if it is, that might end up being the main way to go and fix it for you. Now, if you do that and that's not working, you might want to try going through and basically just powering on and off your camera. So try going through and just unplugging your camera and plugging it back in. And a lot of the times that might end up fixing the problem for you as well. Sometimes as simple just like, unplugging and plugging in the camera again and again, just one time, can probably end up fixing the problem for you as well. And that's another thing I recommend kind of doing here too. So try doing that. If that's still not working, you might want to try restarting the Blink camera application. So try going through, deleting the camera app, try plugging it back in, or try re-downloading it. And you want to see what ends up happening there, because that can be another really easy basic thing to end up doing to end up fixing that problem. And if that's still not working, you might want to try going through and updating the software within that camera as well, because that could be another really basic thing to go and fix this problem too. So try going through, try essentially updating the software within that camera, and you want to see if that ends up fixing the problem here as well. So that pretty much covers it up there. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.